Welcome back to my channel. This is Mama Sajidz Tech and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. Guys, in this video I'll talk with you about how you can remove this type of spots in your face by your Photoshop. It's really easy task and you need to just learn it how you can just remove this with the Photoshop and you can make your picture more clean. I just downloaded these 3 pictures from the online and today I'll just show you guys by that. So let's get started for the delay. Before that, I request you guys, if you are not a subscriber of my channel, then I request you please hit the subscribe button and get the bell icon to get more videos in the future. And if you do so guys, still now this tutorial is for you guys. Start it. So first of all, here I need to open this picture which I want to edit here. To open this, go to the file. From here just click on the open or click on the Ctrl and O. Now go to the destination where your files are. Now here these are my files. Just select these files which you want, then click on the open and these are open here. And here these are the files and here it's ready to use there to edit. First of all, here this is my face and here I need to just select these faces, these spots here, or I can just go to here in this tool and from here spot healing brush tool, and you can just make it big or small by that here or not, which you want. Now start it. Just here you need to just make it like that and it will be just remove them. So like that, here it is. And now you need to just after just taking those which are going, I need to just take another step. Here it is. I need to just select those from here by the lasso tools. From here I just select them. Here it is. I just select here, and after that what I have to do is that I need to just go to the edit. From here just go to the fill and here is the content hour and the opacity is the 100, mode is the normal. Here it is. They just going again. Here it is. Your things are done. Now I just go to here again and I just make them equal so that it will be more clear to you guys. Now after that we need to just save these photos there. For that, go to the file and click on the save as, and here you need to just save it there. Click on the save and click on the replace and click OK. Or if you want to just save it already, then just click on the Ctrl+S and it will be saved there. So by that you can save your photos and by that you can just remove the spots of your face most likely that by that. And that's it from me guys. Hope guys you just enjoy this video and learn a lot of things from this video. If you guys just like this video, then I request you to give a thumbs up under this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon, have a nice day.